Hey guys, did you receive an unemployment check last year? Did you receive an unemployment refund this year after you did your taxes? Well, guess what? In this video, I'm going to show you guys when to expect and your status of your new unemployment refund that you're supposed to receive already, okay? So if you guys already know, subscribe, hit the like button. Let's go on with the video. I have here an article. It's 100% fact. You know, nothing's a lie. Right here, getting from the news. And you guys know, I'm going to keep you guys informed and updated with new news that was happening in the United States of America, right? So it doesn't matter what state. They're all relevant. You can see all my videos and they'll be relevant to you and your state, okay? So it says here in the title, are you still waiting for the $10,200 unemployment tax refund? Here's how to check the status. Now, you guys already know there was a law passed by President Biden when it was within the American Rescue Plan, and this actually forgave $10,200 of your unemployment taxes. That's right. So you guys already know you guys receive unemployment checks. You guys get your taxes. You guys are supposed to file your taxes because you received unemployment money, and you're supposed to pay extra taxes because you receive that money from the government, right? Now, this law obviously forgave $10,200 of those taxes, and you're not supposed to be taxed for that money, right? So most people don't know about this. Most people start receiving surprising checks. As you see in my last video, I speak about that. And now, if you're waiting for your unemployment tax refund, now here's how to check, okay? Many people are receiving directly on direct deposits. So if you have that information, you direct deposit, you'll receive it automatically. Now, if you don't have direct deposit and within your daily taxes, you receive a check through mail, right? Now, again, if you haven't received a check through mail, I'm gonna show you guys how to check and the status of your unemployment check, right? Now, obviously, the average refund is about $1,265 for those who overpay their taxes, right? Because that's what the law is about. If you overpaid, they're supposed to give you a tax refund. So the average amount that people are going to receive is $1,265, right? The benefits were given to those laid off and self-employed, like you and me. Married couples were able to exclude $20,400 from their earnings. So married couples were probably going to get $2,400 and $2,500, right? About that. So the IRS identified over 10 million returns and that were filed before the law went into effect, but not all qualified for this refund, right? Obviously, if you went within that margin of actually making a filed individual person, or filed as a couple, then you will receive it, and if you make more than that, you won't receive it, right? Now, the IRS has started sending out these checks, but there's no way to actually track this refund check, right? The only way you can do is just that if you want to check the status, the IRS will send you a letter for returns that are corrected. This will signal you should be getting that refund, okay? So in other words, it will be automatically, like I just spoke to you, it will be direct deposited to your account. It will be sent as a check to your house, or obviously as a tax refund, like I receive it and I just cash it out from my bank. But there is no actually way to actually verify unless you just receive a letter from the IRS that says that's about returns that are corrected. So in other words, if they saw your file, they corrected it, they will send you a letter, and this letter will prove to you that you're going to receive a tax refund check, okay? Other reasons that you obviously know you're supposed to receive entitled to a refund is that if you did your taxes and you did not include those 10,200, exclude those 10,200 from your taxes, right? So in other words, if you went to your accountant and they didn't process it that way, that means you're going to receive a surprise IRS unemployment tax refund check, okay? Now, these letters were sent within 30 days after the correction is being made. So depending when you actually submit your taxes, if you're expecting to receive it, if you haven't received the letter, but you didn't include those 10,000, or you didn't exclude those $10,200 from your taxes, then you're supposed to receive a tax refund check, okay? So I hope this video is a little bit helpful. Remember, if you receive that letter, you can expect one. If you didn't include it, you can expect one. So make sure make sure your income level is also right there within that margin, because if you make more, that means you might be able to receive less, or you're not be included, right? Let me check right here real quick. It says okay, they were able to exclude. Now everybody's qualified. Many people are getting refunds in the summer. So it doesn't say, but if you're married, obviously 20,400, and if you're single, 10,200, right? So I mean, pretty much. Also depends on how much income you made. But I mean, basically, most people are going to receive it. Why? Because it was a law that contributes to everybody in the United States of America that receive unemployment, right? So I hope this video is useful. I hope you guys like it. Subscribe, hit the like button, and stay tuned to the next video.